Hello, good day viewers. This here is a very simple question here. They say this quadrilateral here PQRS is a rectangle. Find the length of this line RT if this area of this circle is 153.9 centimeters squared. And this point T here is the center of the rectangle PQRS. So how can we solve this? Since this point T here is the center of the rectangle, if we draw a line parallel to this line PS here through this point T, definitely this point T is going to bisect it. So let's label this point A and this here B. Now write it out here that line AB is equal to line AT plus line BT. And line AT equal to line BT. Because this point here is bisecting it, which means dividing it into two equal halves. So if you look here now, this line AT is a diameter of this circle here. So what is the diameter of this circle? We don't know. But since here, the area of the circle is 153.9 centimeters squared, we know that the formula for finding the area of a circle with respect to its diameter is pi d squared over 4. So let's equate pi d squared over 4 to 153.9 centimeters squared. Now pi d squared over 4 equal to 153.9. To make d the subject, we multiply both sides by 4, divide both sides by pi, and then find the square root of both sides. Now square root of pi d squared over 4 times 1 over pi is equal to square root of 153.9 times 4 times 1 over pi. Here, this 4 cancels this 4, and this pi here cancels this pi. Now I left with square root of d squared, and square root of d squared is d, because d squared is d times d. So coming back here, 153.9 times 4 times 1 over pi, if you press your calculator, is 195.9516. Square root of 195.9516 is 13.9983, approximately equal to 14. So diameter equal to 14 centimeters squared. And that implies that this line AT here is 14 centimeters in length. But recall here, we established that line AT equal to line BT. So that means this is also 14 centimeters in length. Now if you look, since this side here is parallel to this side of the rectangle, it must also be parallel to this side as well. Because opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel and equal in length. And that implies also that this and this side here must also be equal in length with this side here. So since this is 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters, which is 28 centimeters, this and this must also be. Now if you come back here, drawing a line also parallel to this line PQ from this point here down here to this point. If you look, the line we just drawn is also a diameter because it is perpendicular to these two tangents here, and we have the diameter here to be 14 centimeters. So therefore this line is also 14 centimeters. Here also, since this is parallel to this and this here, they must also be equal in length. So this and this here are 14 centimeters each as well. But recall this here is parallel to this and it touches the center. That means this point B here is the center of line RS. And since line RS is 14 centimeters, this must be 14 centimeters over 2, which is 7 centimeters. Now from this right, since this is a right angle triangle, because this here is a right angle, we use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two upper sides. The hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle, so this here is the hypotenuse. Now applying the Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square equal to 14 square plus 7 squared. But hypotenuse is line RT, so line RT squared equal to 14 square plus 7 squared. 14 squared is 196, 7 squared is 49. 196 plus 49 is 245. So line RT squared is equal to 245. If you find the square root of both sides now, square root of line RT squared equal to square root of 245. Here, square root of line RT squared is line RT, and here square root of 245 is 15.65. So line RT equal to 15.65 centimeters. So we found the length of line RT to be 15.65 centimeters. Coming back to the area of this rectangle here, PQRS, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. From here, we can say L equal to 14 centimeters and B equal to 28 centimeters. So substituting now, area of PQRS equal to 14 centimeters times 28 centimeters, which equal to 392. So we find the area of PQRS to be 392 centimeters squared. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Also click the notification button to get notified when we post a new video. Thank you.